Hi, Penelope. How do you really feel, Penelope? Penelope, Penelope, tell me about it. Let's talk about it. See what you think. Oh, what was that? You almost sat down on that little bucket. There's all your toys. Grab your maracas. There you go. Penelope, what are you doing? Yeah, you tell me, Penelope. You tell me about it. Penelope, what are you doing down there, Sweet Pea? Penelope, what are you doing down there? Penelope, what's going on? Are you going to come say hi? What's up, Sweet Pea? Hey, Sweet Pea. Penelope, up here. What are you doing down there?